الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة ربنا وجعلنا مسلمين لك ومن ذريتنا أمة مسلمة لك وأرنا مناسكنا وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. Translation: Our Rabb, make both of us Muslims, submissive to you, and make our descendants a nation of Muslims, and show us our ways to perform Hajj pilgrimage and accept our repentance. Indeed, you and you alone is the acceptor of repentance, the most merciful. We saw in the previous ayah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam to build the Kaaba, and when they were building the Kaaba, they were praying that, oh, our Rabb, accept this service from us. And in this ayah, we are seeing that they are praying to Allah that, oh Allah, make both of us Muslims, submissive to you. So it shows that they are fearful that their service may not be accepted, and despite of being in full faith and doing it with full sincerity, they are praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for acceptance. They are also praying that, oh Allah, make a nation of Muslims from our descendants. This is extremely important message from these two ayahs, that whenever we are doing any good deed, we should have the similar feelings. We should be praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, accept this act from us. And we should also be praying to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that, oh Allah, keep us Muslims submissive to you. If we are satisfied with our iman and our good deeds, then it may not be the right thing. Because when the prophets of Allah are praying to Allah to get to be the submissive Muslims, we cannot be satisfied with our iman and our faith. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam also praying for their descendants, and this is also very important. We can understand that not only guarding our iman, we should also be worried about our descendants, and we should be praying for our descendants that Allah keep our descendants as Muslims. In Surah Tahrim, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum nara. O people who believe, save yourself and your family members from the fire. That shows that we should be worried about our family members as well and our descendants as well. When Ibrahim alayhi salam and Ismail alayhi salam were building the Kaaba, they were praying to Allah that, oh Allah, show us our ways to perform Hajj, the pilgrimage. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent Jibreel alayhi salam, who taught them the ways to perform the Hajj. These days, sometimes we see that people go to Mecca to perform Hajj or Umrah, but they do not spend any time to learn the steps of Hajj. So this is extremely important to learn the steps of Hajj. The du'as of the previous ayah and this ayah sometimes are combined, like Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka antas samiul alim wa tub alayna innaka antat tawwabur rahim. Let's pray that Allah accept this dua for us. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.